What is up, guys? Gamer That Sucks here, and today I'm going to show you how to play online games with your Sky3ds. In order to do that, you're going to need a private header, and in order to get a private header, you're going to need a power save with any legit game that you've bought from GameStop. So, like, let's say Pokemon Y, Mario Kart 7, any game that has online features. So, what you want to do first is grab your SD card from your Sky3ds and put it into your computer with your SD card adapter. Once you have that, you should have a settings text folder. You want to open that. Once you're at your settings, you're going to see a line where it says create per game settings equals 1. Most likely you won't have it, and that's fine. You can just insert it into your settings thing. And if you do have it and it says 0, just change it to 1, which I'm going to do right now. See, there you go, it says 1. Once you're done with that, you just want to press save. Now after you're done with that, you want to take out your SD card, put it onto your Sky3ds, play the game that you want to play online with, and it should create a CFG file. I have the CSG file for Super Smash Bros, which is the name of it is AS-SSB. So once you're done with that, you want to eject your SD card. Once that's done, you want to put in your power save, plug it into the computer with the game that you bought. It could be Pokemon Y, whatever. Once that's inserted, you want to download Action Replay Power Save, which will be in the description below. When you open this up, it's gonna take a little bit to load, and then once it's loaded, you press backup right here, and when it says save description, just type in GBA temp. It's the easiest way to do it, and then it's gonna create a backup. Once the backup is done, you want to close power save, and then you want to open it again. Once it has loaded, which is still okay. Once it has loaded, you just want to minimize it, and then you want to download a program called HXD, which you can get it here. I'll put the description in the. My bad. I'm sorry. I'll put the link in the description so you can download it. Once you have it downloaded, you want to open it up, and then you want to go to extras, open RAM, power saves 3ds.exe. Once that open, you want to press Control F. Once you get a search for, you want to type in GBA temp. Already have it here. I'll put this in the description so you guys can just copy and paste it really quickly. And press OK. You should be taken to a highlighted line where your game is. Once you have that, you want to search for your private header number. So the way you can find this is pretty easy. Either above or below, you're gonna have your header. If you see a bunch of F's below or above, you know you're close by. So your header starts after a 0088. Sometimes it can just be after an 88, which mine is right here, the E3, and then the rest, and it ends at 10, and then after 10 there's a bunch of FFs. There's supposed to be 40 FFs if I remember correctly, so make sure, if you want, you can count them if you see 40 FFs afterwards. So you want to copy that. Once you have that copied, you can close this. I saved it here in this folder. This is my online code. So as you can see, it's E3. And I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see. This is the easiest way for me to remember. So right here. Oh, Well, okay. What's being done? Hold on, let me just rename it again. Okay then. Okay. So it wants to be done. Oh, I copied it. Okay, whatever. As you can see, this is my private header number. I'm just gonna copy it because I messed it up. Control C. Once you have that copied, you want to put in your SD card from your Sky3ds. Once you have your SD card file open, you want to go to the CFG file for the game that you want to play online. So like I said again, mine is Super Smash Bros. So I open it up, and where it says game save key, you want to input your code. So my code's already in here, and I'm just gonna do it again. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna press Control V. So this is my code. You're gonna have spaces. What you want to do is get rid of all the spaces. Once you've gotten rid of all the spaces, you want to press File and then Save. Once that's done, you can close this and then eject your SD card. Now I'm going to take you to the 3DS and show you what to do after. Okay, now once that you have your SD card into your Sky3ds, you just want to put it into your 3DS, turn it on, which mine's already on, and you should see your game. Start it up. Now I have to remind you guys that in order for you to do this, you have to update your 3DS to the latest firmware, and also have the latest update to it if it needs an update in order to play online. I also forgot, if the online at the first time doesn't work, just delete your save file. That usually is the problem, and just let it create a new save file for the game. Yeah, I'm using my phone, my Samsung phone. Okay, so here you go, you have Super Smash Bros. Press whatever button to start. Then I already tried it, so it's giving me the thing about the global smash power. Just go to online. Then connect to Nintendo, press OK. It's gonna tell me to please wait. Communicating with server. And then there you go. You can play with other people. I'm just gonna go to any game. Sometimes the game itself is buggy, so sometimes you're gonna have connection errors. I really hope I don't have a connection error right now. Now it's just loading up. Then you pick your character with the other people, as you can see. So I'm just gonna press random. I'm gonna press start. And as you can see, it's starting. And there you go. This is the lobby where you wait. Where you wait, you can practice whatever. Pressing thing. I'm just gonna wait until the match starts. I really suck at this game, so I'm just pressing random stuff right now. Waiting. It starts. It says right there, it starts in 15 seconds. So, just to show you guys that this actually works. Moving around. And I'm losing focus from the phone. And okay, still lost focus. Okay, so now the game's starting. And as you can see here, since I picked random, there is my character. And then there you go. Here are the other people that are playing. And at the bottom, you could see their names, but my phone decided to stop the focus. So you can see this works. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. See you guys next time.